And what if tomorrow agriculture disappeared? More fruits, more vegetables, more dishes, neither snacks nor delicious dishes at restaurant. Nothing left. This is not a movie scenario. It is a reality we too often forget. Agriculture is not only what feeds us, it is what makes us live. But then, what would happen if it stopped? And above all, what are the agricultural projects that can change the future? The impact if agriculture stops is serious and realistic. Without agriculture, soils collapse, fertile lands turn to dust. The roots of the plants that held life now give way to the desert. It is erosion, hunger, exodus. Without agriculture, biodiversity disappears. Bees disappear, old varieties are forgotten, and nature runs wild. Without agriculture, water stops flowing, rainfall becomes sparse, rivers run dry, the climate goes crazy. And that's not all. The absence of agriculture means global famine, rural exodus, economic collapse. It is the end of balance. How to identify a strong agricultural project, an inspiring and motivating one. But agriculture is not just about problems. It is an opportunity, a lever, an economic engine. This is where the greatest entrepreneurial ideas are born. Do you want to start your own agricultural project? Do you want to change the world with the land as your ally? So, ask yourself these 4 ikigai questions that we should ask. Do you love what you do? Are you good at it? Does the world need it? Can you make a living from it? If you answer yes to all 4, then you have a powerful idea. The 10 criteria of a high-impact agricultural project: assertive and expert tone. Here are now the 10 criteria that make an agricultural project a global success. High profitability per hectare. Exploding demand in global markets. Ease of export. Visible and differentiating innovation. Positive environmental impact. Creation of rural jobs. A product that can be processed for higher margins. Perfect adaptation to the local climate. Ease of automation or intelligent management. And above all, clear and concrete market opportunities from the start. So, which projects check all these boxes? Examples of successful project. Strawberries. Organic greenhouse strawberries, profitable and in demand worldwide. Prickly pear seed oil, a liquid gold with a high price. Or even urban farms, hydroponic, connected, right in the heart of cities. Red fruit farms or vineyards, and thousands of crops that can make you a billionaire within a few years. Agriculture is more than a profession. It is a vision, a struggle, a societal project. This is where the opportunities of the future are shaped. So if you want to build your future, start with the seed. The future is in the soil. The future is agricultural.